Now, when you're asked to simplify work like this and you have a whole lot of work to do, there are other ways you can do it that makes it faster and even sometimes simpler. So let's look at another method to simplify this, where we have 3 over 4 minus 2 over 5. Solution. We still need the LCM of the denominator, so you have to first find the LCM of 4 and 5, and that would give you 20. Now don't forget, when you are working with two numbers and you're finding the LCM such that the two of them have no common factor, then the LCM is just the product of the two numbers, 4 times 5. So that's how we come across 20 without stress. Now that we have the LCM, we then perform this subtraction using the method now. We have 3 over 4 minus 2 over 5. This then become, now you draw your division line, and then you write the LCM as the denominator, which is 20. The next thing you want to do is now work with the first fraction. You have the denominator here, which is 20, divided by the denominator of the first fraction, and that is 4. So 20 divided by 4. Then you multiply the result by the numerator of the first fraction, which is 3. Now the sign we have here is what? Subtraction. So we put the minus. And then we repeat the same thing for fraction 2. That is, we are going to have 20 divided by the denominator, which is 5. And then we multiply the result by 2. Now, 20 divided by 4 will give us 5. So we have 5 times 3 minus 20 divided by 5 will give us 4. So we have 4 times 2 all over 20. Now 5 times 3 will give us 15 minus 4 times 2 will give us 8 over 20, giving us a final answer of, now 15 minus 8 is 7. So our final answer is 20 over 7. So you can conclude by saying 3 over 4 minus 2 over 5 would give you 7 over 20. And that's the solution to the problem. Thank you.